75,400 were divided among A, B, C such that 3 times the share of A is equal to 9 times the share of B is equal to 4 times the share of C. Find A share. So 3 times of A share is equal to 9 times of B share is equal to 4 times of C is equal to, let B be K. So A is equal to K by 3, B is equal to K by 9, C is equal to K by 4. Now A, B, C is 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and 1 by 4. Now let's find LCM for 3, 9, 4. It is in 36. So in 3 table we got 36 in 12 times. So 12 into 1 by 36 plus in 9 table we got 36 in 4 times. So 4 into 1 by 36 plus in 4 table we got 36 in 9 times. So 9 into 1 by 36. So 12 ones are 12 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 9 ones are 9 by 36. Now total ABC share is 12 plus 4 plus 9 is 25. Only the share of A is 12 by 25 into 75,400. So 12 in 25 table we got 75,400 is 3016 times. So 12 into 3016 is 36,192. It is an option B. Thank you.